idea of frame of reference, perspective. And because I'm closer to the glass, what you notice is the image that's reflecting off the glass in front of me is sharp, right? And because the glass, I'm looking at the glass reflecting in the foreground behind me, it's a little more, so it's a fascinating, my point is, there's so many complexity to drawing a broken mirror because the cracks in the mirror itself, right? And the point of the horizon, basically, any object at the point of the horizon becomes relatively smaller, regardless as if that object far away is bigger than the object close to you. So the closer the horizon is, the smaller the object becomes, and it becomes more soft. Things that our eyes or optical illusion, we are jaded to this phenomenon that things at far distance tend to appear more soft. We're oblivious to this, or we are aware, but to be aware.